Welcome back to another video. Today we have a save on incredible new tools featuring the Bauer 20-volt lithium ion cordless string trimmer. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got some new tools. Basically it's an email from Harbor Freight where they send coupons, and sometimes they send these emails with new tools. All right, as we can see here, this is the Bauer. This is a new tool. We got some adjustable knob here. This is like it's a string trimmer and a side and an edger, a mini mower, whatever you want to call it. So it's a 3-in-1 item. It says new super coupon 20-volt lithium cordless 12-inch string trimmer. It says up to, let me put this up there, up to 7 head positions, 12-inch cutting diameter, automatic line feed, supports wheels, quick adjust, telescoping shaft, extends up to 14 inches, customer rating 5 stars, 6 precision ergonomic handle. I don't know how they're gonna have 5 stars if it's barely released. You got $39.99 is the price, coupon price. It says valid through 3/1/20. So I guess most of these are going to be valid to 3/1/20. So if you watch this after this, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, more coupons, more reviews. And we will post as soon as we see or we hear any deals. So yeah, so this is only valid to 3/1. All right, let me see if we can zoom in here, because you guys can see here you got some double wheels. You can use it as a trimmer, like a safe edge type, or you could use it as an edger, sideways or vertical. And then you can use it as a mini mower with the wheels, I guess, wheels at the bottom, maybe on the back here or on the front if it's hard to see. But yeah, it does include 2 wheels, which you guys see here on the picture. Next item, we got 20 volt to 20 volt, 120 volts dual power fan. So this is you can plug it into your house with an extension cord, or you can use a 20-volt battery. We got 7.5 blade diameter, circulates airspeed up to 12 miles an hour for a cool work area. It says 5 stars. 2 only battery chargers sold separately, $29.99. This is from Bauer. The next item that we have is a 20-volt lithium ion cordless, 2,500 spotlights. Get up to 50% more runtime per charge. 20-volt batteries, Hypermax lithium batteries, $34.99. If you guys haven't watched my video, but we did see this at the store. It looks pretty nice. It looks pretty beefy. It looks like you got some metal casings here on the inside, maybe aluminum. You got some nice big LEDs here in the front. But yeah, I'll see if I can link that above. If not, then just look at my recent videos shopping at Harbor Freight. That is my recent video on my channel, so check that out. 20 volts to 120 volts dual powered 2000 lumen LED work lights or work lights. It says LEDs generate up to 2000 lumens for 140 feet beam distance, 360 rotating handle or head for multiple lighting directions, $44.99. Haven't seen this before, so can't wait to check it out. These, I tried looking for these when I was at the store. I couldn't find them, but right now we got some coupons, so if you have them at your stores, be sure and pick them up. Seem to be pretty good quality from what Harbor Freight's saying. Got a 6-inch high-powered trigger clamp spreader, $9.99. This is the 12-inch, $12.99, and 24-inch, $14.99. And all these items are already at the store, at least these two. This one is not. I didn't see it at the store. This is a 3/8 by 50 feet enclosed retractable air hose reel, $79.99. This is 6-inch dual action sander, $79.99. You got the 6-gallon 0.95 horsepower oil-free air compressor, $119.99. Yeah, this is one of the new ones. It's pretty much an upgraded version for the pancake from the 6-gallon pancake compressor from Central Pneumatic. You got the cooling system test and refill kit, $59.99. Basic fuel injection service, $39.99. And this is one of the items I want to get. I want to try out for you guys. This is 200 watt cup holder mobile power inverter, $27.99. You got the 150 amp spool gun, $139.99. You got the 12,000 pound. Yeah, this is another one of the newer items. A lot of you, a lot of us, are afraid to use all the winches because of the cable. But now you got synthetic ropes that are coming in with those, with the new ones, the Badlands 12,000, and now they're selling the replacement, so you can replace it with this. So really nice, 12,000 pound, 80 feet by 3/8. Synthetic winch rope, $149.99. Wireless winch remote, $59.99. You got the toy workbench, $18.99. You got toys now, new toys. Heavy duty foam kneeling pad, $3.99. 1/4 worry-free automatic submersible utility pump, $99.99. Then you got the 18-inch heavy duty impact resistant toolbox, $29.99. And you got the 1500 lumen LED flashlight, $19.99. Alright guys, a short video for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.